thief saw Chandrasena's sad face. He asked her, "What is the matter? Why are you so sad?" Chandrasena told him everything that had transpired between her and Guru Datta. The thief praised her for keeping her word of meeting him. He wished her luck and let her go without taking her jewels. When Chandrasena reached home, she told her husband everything. But her husband became angry. He did not show any affection for Chandrasena. He said, "Neither a king, nor a minister, nor a wife, nor a person's hair, nor his nails look well out of their places. A woman's beauty remains in being loyal to her husband." Betal ended his tale and asked King Vikramaditya, "Vikram, tell me who holds the highest merit of the three? If you do not answer my question correctly, I shall break your head into pieces." The thief's merit. Vikramaditya forgot all about not speaking and replied, "The thief's merit is the highest." Betal asked, "But why is that so?" Vikramaditya replied, "The husband stopped loving her as soon as she told him about the other man. Guru Datta let go of her due to fear of punishment from the king. But the thief had no such reason, still he let her go. The thief did not harm Chandrasena, nor did he rob her. He had no ulterior motive for what he did. He could have taken all of Chandrasena's jewels if he wished to, but he did not do so, so his merit was the greatest." Betal laughed and said, "Vikram, you are indeed a judicious king, but as usual you have spoken instead of keeping silent. Hence I am departing from you and flying to my people tree." Thus Betal flew away from Vikramaditya's shoulder with the king following him. Leelavati. King Vikramaditya pulled down the corpse, put it on his shoulder and set out for his kingdom. After some time, Betal, who as usual could not keep quiet, spoke to King Vikramaditya. "Remain quiet if you want to, but I will tell you a story to make the journey short and comfortable, and I expect that you will answer my questions even if you do not wish to. You will have to, because I will break your head into pieces." King Vikramaditya did not utter a word. Nevertheless, Betal began telling the story. There was a Brahmin whose name was Haridatta. He lived in the city of Kashi. He had a beautiful daughter whose name was Leelavati. She was of a marriageable age, but Haridatta was not able to find a groom for her as he was poor. Once, when Leelavati was sleeping in her room, a young man crept into her room. Leelavati helps the thief. Leelavati woke up immediately. She saw the young man standing in a corner. He seemed to be nervous. Leelavati asked him, "Who are you? What are you doing in my room? Are you a thief?" The young man replied, "Yes, I am a thief." Leelavati asked, "What do you want from my house?" The thief replied, "I have not come here to steal anything. I have come here to hide myself from the king's soldiers. I tried to steal jewelry from a wealthy merchant's house, but the soldiers saw me. They have been chasing me since then. I assure you, I have no intentions of robbing you. Please help me." The thief looked out of the window and exclaimed, "The soldiers are coming here." Leelavati told the thief to hide behind an almirah. The soldiers came and asked Leelavati's father a few questions. Then they went away.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.